Hey, what's going on? Got another unboxing video. Got this in the mail yesterday, and check it out. UPS ground and pound, baby. Gotta love it. I think the contents will be okay. I did get a picture of this before recording, just in case I have to file any kind of a complaint or something. But yeah, I saw that. I couldn't believe how bad it was. I have a feeling for the size of this box and the contents within, the box is going to probably be a little overkill. Good Lord. Okay, so this is a package I got from Train World for a yet-to-be-named large project. So they include a flyer, which kind of cool. So let's see. Boy, I hope nothing's broken. Son of a bitch. Yeah, it looks like they're broken. Well, one is bent pretty bad. Yeah, this is N scale. Make sure this is in the camera. N scale flex track from Atlas. Yeah, let me. And these are 5 pieces. 5, 2, 3. Yeah, 5 pieces. Okay, some are. The bottom pieces aren't in as bad a shape as this one. This one's pretty bad. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. One of the ties is broken and there's kind of a bend in it. I might be able to fix it, but yeah, you see, this allows you to bend around. But I'm using these mostly as straights. I just needed a lot of long straight pieces. Boy, I don't know what to do about that. But yeah, anyway. So that's it. Just these are supposed to be 3 feet, are they actually? 1, 2. Not really, no. No, it's 24. Oh, no, not 3 feet. I'm sorry. No, 30 inches. And they are 30 inches. I don't know why I was thinking 3 feet. So, yeah, I don't know that it's worth doing anything about this. I can probably bend it back into shape and be alright. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. But there you go. That's it. Take it easy.